Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be taking you along with me to Lui-Nai-Ni 2024, which is celebrated in Tamenglong district on 14 and 15 of February. So this is the stage of the Lui-Nai-Ni where the participants are practicing. Lui-Nai-Ni is a seed sowing important festival of a Naga tribal community. So I will not be much into the formal things, but we have a stall set up for our Sonram Students Union. So I'll be giving more updates on there. So this is how we are preparing the food, the authentic food items of Nagas or Rokmai community.
Kata lor mo kazandan kala ada sin oiso. Kan bisi mo na. Ako lang. Ko mi ya tham se. Sorry. Sorry. So papa na dance. Bye 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 bye. 소다 이 Apa mà kêu hiểu được không lọ? Cái tàng lâu mới câu hả?
Tanda mıydı mı? Background senin ya, kaçın hayvandan değil mi?
Magari, Muegi Pro. Muegi Pro. Tapi ini kalau ada kerja apa tu? Bantu video ciri upload buat lili. Apa ini tak ni dia tak? Oi. Hello you all. Welcome to my stall.
Thì mà mới được best five còn tên này
Trong hồn thì không khô.
Mumbai đấy.
Taking a break from cooking, let's visit the stall of the Lui-Nai-Ni. Let's go and check out the price of this drum. Our traditional drum, 65,000 only. Majority of the stalls are of the food items, fast food items are traditional, or most of the items were the real taste of Nagas, spices, chutney, drinks, and many things. Besides that are the traditional necklace, earrings, mekla, necktie, traditional bag, and yeah, a kind of lots of traditional stuff. The good thing about stall is majority of the stalls are owned by the women. And the best part is most of the items, either if food is being prepared by themselves, if it's traditional, most of them they literally weave or they literally make necklaces, those earrings and everything by themselves.
chắc khăn mê răm tư gai bên nhàng gan president nắp cao mây gan bên nhàng gan bên nhàng gan bên nhàng gieo đi một cái đôi sắc khăn mây nó rô xì nó không có nó sao nó là thuần cao vô kỳ yêu đôi đi đôi
If any one of you wish to watch the full, I will share the link where they live telecast the program.
Lawang gitu, eka front ko gong lagi nuwe na nuwa na sampai nungai chen pung deh. Ni